Welcome to EboxMan, your go-to resource for dropshipping success. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of your business: setting competitive pricing. It's a strategic move that can make all the difference. In a crowded market, getting your pricing right is the key to success. Stick around for this step-by-step guide and invaluable tips that will help you not only attract customers but also maximize your profit margins. Let's jump in. Step 1. Calculate product costs. It all starts with knowing the numbers. Factor in wholesale prices, shipping fees, and any additional expenses like packaging or handling fees. And don't forget about currency conversion rates if they apply. Step 2. Research competitors. Knowledge is power. Dive into the market, identify your competitors, and dissect their pricing strategies. Visit their websites or marketplaces to get a feel for their pricing ranges. Step 3. Consider your target market. Understand your audience's buying behavior. How sensitive are they to prices? What are they willing to pay? Dive into demographics, income levels, and location to tailor your pricing strategy. Step 4. Determine your profit margin. This is where you set your course. Balance market demand, competition, and your business goals. Aim for a margin that covers expenses, fuels marketing efforts, and sustains a healthy income. Step 5. Account for additional costs. Running a business comes with its own set of expenses. Consider Shopify subscription fees, transaction fees, marketing, and customer support costs. These need to factor into your pricing for a healthy bottom line. Step 6. Set competitive prices. With your research, target market, and profit margin in hand, it's time to set your prices. Aim for a sweet spot: competitive yet profitable. Remember, prices too low might raise questions about quality. Some additional pointers to keep in mind. Monitor competitor pricing for market trends. Offer value-added services to stand out. Consider dynamic pricing for optimization. Test different price points to find the sweet spot. Leverage customer feedback to refine your strategy. And there you have it. Pricing is a dynamic part of your business. Regularly evaluate your strategy based on market conditions, customer feedback, and your business goals. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights from EboxMan. And don't forget to leave any questions or comments down below. See you in the next video.